So, welcome, dear audience. This is another episode of our interview series where we bring successful business analysts to share their stories with you. The intention of this interview is to inspire the aspiring candidates. So, I am Rashmi from Tech Canvas. I am the host for this session. Today, we have Varun Udani with us, who has recently cracked IIBA AAC certification. Welcome, Varun.
Yeah. Hi, Rashmi. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Yeah.
So AAC, which stands for Agile Analysis Certification, is one of the challenging certifications in the domain.
hmm
Congratulations, Varun, for that.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Rashmi. Yeah. Absolutely.
So yeah, so let us begin. Varun,
Yeah.
can you tell us about yourself?
Yeah. Sure, Rashmi. So I am Varun, and basically I have completed my MBA in finance full time in 2013 from IBS Pune. And so that was my post graduation one. And as long as my professional career is concerned, I do carry 8+ years of experience into multiple MNCs like eClerx, UBAs, and now Virtusa. I'm working as a lead consultant. So I do have experience of 8+ years as a business analyst, and do have a academic record of MBA in finance.
Wonderful, wonderful. So when did you start thinking about this AAC certification?
Okay, sure. So basically, when I started my career from eClerx, so in starting time, I have been involved into the operations where I need to settle those trade on a day-to-day basis, right? But
Right.
once I worked for around 2 years into eClerx, I came to know that this world is quite dynamic as long as our professional career is concerned. So rather than limiting myself into specific skill sets of operation only,
Mm-hmm.
if I go forward to do any certification which would help me a lot to explore my career growth, to explore the opportunity at a bigger platform. So that would give me an extra advantage and a clear cut edge over the competition of dynamic people.
Mm-hmm.
So I wanted myself to compete at a higher platform with combination of sharp skill sets, and that would enable me to appear in this AAC program.
Right, right. So,
Yeah.
how did you plan your preparation, Varun? Were you already aware of the agile processes? Varun, you're able to hear me? No, I'm not able to hear you, Varun.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now it is good.
yeah. So, I'll just repeat the question. So,
hmm
how did you plan the preparation? Were you already aware of the
hmm
agile processes?
hmm Okay. So, in my professional career, I have worked on multiple clients like Credit Suisse, like UBS, like Citibank, and all that. So, in
Mhm,
this modern and challenging era, where all the investment banks are shifting their momentum from the old methodology, that was the waterfall technology, to the agile methodology. So that
right.
agile methodology is quite time saving one. It is quite efficient that within the limited time span, we are able to deliver the requirement in a specific timeline with the highest level of productivity. So this specific concept attracted me to go for this agile analysis, right? So very first thing in my mind was, first I need to develop my skill set so that I can compete with this dynamic era. Number one. Number two, as long as financial market is concerned, business analysis path is quite challenging, and it has an ample of opportunity in the market. Like if I would put myself 5 years down the line in business analysis path. So if I gain multiple skill sets which would enhance my career path, right? So at least I can expect a drastic growth into my professional career. So I started to prepare on AAC, that is agile analysis, right? I worked in Virtusa right now as a lead consultant,
Mhm,
where we do have a access of Tech Canvas. So Tech Canvas is a portal where it provides ample of variety of material in terms of videos, in terms of puzzles, in terms of guides. So it explains the entire AAC, that what is the basics of AAC and what is the advanced level of AAC. And uh, Tech Canvas platform has nicely explained all the techniques, all the horizons, I would say, like strategic horizon, initiatives horizon, delivery horizon. They have explained each and everything at a too granular level that once I've gone through that entire guide, right, I was quite confident, not only just clearing that IIBA exam, but I was quite confident enough that in my current organization also I can share those ideas, I can contribute at a higher level so that it can lead to savage of time, reduction in the waste, and how efficiently we can deliver those requirements to the client. So yeah, I would say Tech Canvas has helped me a lot in clearing this AAC certification.
Wonderful. Thanks so
Yeah,
much for that.
yeah,
Wonderful to know.
yeah.
And so, my next question is was there any challenging part in your preparation? You felt somewhere that,
Mhm,
because the new concept which has been introduced by IIBA, so,
mhm.
or maybe something else where you felt that it is challenging.
Correct, absolutely. So earlier I was in an impression that agile methodology is just a dynamic or modern approach where all
Right.
the organization used to indulge with those that kind of concept, right? But as long as I gone into a deep dive that what the agile is exactly, so it is set of techniques and through which we have to I would say make a in detail journey of each and every techniques, right? So the tougher part what I came across while clearing this WSC part is the techniques. So I would say each and every techniques has a very thin line between each of them, I
Right.
would say. So if I would like to club this technique with the real question of IIBS side, right? So there are
Hmm.
a thin line between each and every techniques, right? So I would suggest if we go entirely and in a deep of what Tech Canvas guide suggests, right? So it well explains the thinner line between each of the techniques, and once the thinner line is clear, I'm pretty sure that a AAC certification would not be a major challenge to clear as long as if we go through the entire Tech Canvas syllabus.
Right. Right. And yeah, you're right. Actually, out of those 24 techniques, not many techniques are known also, because how they are applied, and what I have felt is uh,
Mhm.
people actually take agile as only limited to scrum practice and what they have,
Absolutely.
applied in their organization. So they can't, they have to see beyond their practice.
Correct,
So that
absolutely.
is
And
what analysis is
also,
about.
correct. And the techniques involve the entire horizon. I
Right.
would say from strategic horizon, from Kanban technique, where we have a Kanban board, right? So earlier I was not aware, like in my current organization, people were working about Kanban board and everything. So
Right.
honestly, I was not aware about that. What is this all about? But as long as I gone through this AAC certification and I cleared that certification, I started involved myself and I started active participation in each and every meeting of our organization. And I shared
Wonderful.
a wonderful ideas that it led to savage of time. It led to the reduction of time. I mean, let's take the example of value stream mapping techniques, right? So
Hmm.
value stream mapping technique is help us to streamline each and every step of our current processes. So what I've done, I have aligned that technique into my current organization and try to map those steps, that what are the steps we are carried out, like A to B, B to C, C to D, and what
Hmm.
is the time gap we are actually having. So we identified those gray part, we worked around on those gray part, and at the end we were able to eliminate those gray part. And at the end, I would say, let's say one process was taking 2 hours. By applying this technique, we were able to reduce that time by half an hour.
Wonderful, Varun. You are, in true sense, you are bringing values to the organization, as
Yeah,
what IIBA also says, right? More,
yeah,
in fact, more than output, it should be outcome. That's what you are
correct,
bringing.
absolutely, yeah,
Amazing,
correct, yeah.
amazing.
And yeah, apart from this, I mean, if we multiply those technique at a greater scale, I would say this
Mm-hmm,
is just example of value stream mapping. But if
mm-hmm,
we take the example of user stories, if we take the example of story mapping and all the things, right? So even if one person can apply this concept as a larger scale, in all the horizons, and if it can bring up to, let's say, 4 to 5 hours of savage of work in day itself, right? So you can expect that how this AAC is useful for any people who
mm-hmm.
actually wanted to explore themselves into this dynamic era.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
So, Varun, how much time did you think that you put for your preparation?
Hmm.
Um,
Okay.
on, yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, Rashmi. So I took somewhere around 1 month to
Okay.
prepare for this AAC examination, because simultaneously my uh, current job was going on. So routine login hours like 10 to 7 Indian timing. So
Mm-hmm,
I used to prepare, let's say, 1 hour in the morning and 2 hours in the evening, then referring the entire tech canvas guide. Once I am done with the tech canvas guide, I would prefer the videos what they've uploaded on their website, on their portal.
LMS
Then I
portal. Yeah.
used to, yeah, I need to go ahead with the puzzles and all, right? So the entire what the plan I have made, that I have targeted myself to clear this exam within a month, and then
Mm-hmm,
I split it down my 1 month into weekends and working day. So in working day I used to work for 2 hours, and in weekend I used to work for at least 4 to 5 hours. And once I was pretty confident that I had gone through the entire guide, entire videos, entire puzzle part, then I started to appear in the mock test offered by Tech Canvas. And
right.
gradually, yeah, I kept on increasing my percentage from 80 to 85 to 90 and 95. And at the
Mm-hmm.
end, once I appeared into IBA AAC, then I came to know that, yo, what I was supposing, I have delivered in final exam.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah,
So ideally, it is good for a 1 to 1.5 months preparation, you say. It will be
yeah,
good for
that
the
is more than
candidates.
enough. Yeah,
More
perfect.
than enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
So though you have already covered this question's answer, but explosive question to you. How
Hmm.
much life has changed after this certification? Any changes in
Yeah.
the career you see,
Hmm.
towards your perspective, or
Hmm.
towards the work, or how do you see the change there?
Absolutely fine. So I would say, before AAC, I used to categorize my work as a rational work, or I would say traditional method of working. But
Right.
once I cleared this AAC examination, right, that entirely changed my mindset of looking at my work. So let's say once I log in my work, earlier I used to do all the reports how it is explained in SOP. But once I cleared this certification, I started challenging those SOP, that this
Mm-hmm.
work can be done in this way also. Why we are following this traditional way, right? So gradually and eventually, I started challenging the few reports which we were able to make. Let's say one report earlier it was take 2 hours, but once we started challenging those gaps, right, our entire team would work on those gaps. We would analyze that what are those gaps and are those gaps really required, or we can eliminate those gaps. We have worked around on those gaps for at least, I would say, for a week. We have taken certain approvals, and at the end, I can proudly say that 2 hours report can reduce at least half an hour if we apply one technique, that is value stream mapping. Right. So in short, I would say that entirely changed my mindset, that how we should approach our daily routine work, and how we can value addition our organization, in terms of routine work, in terms of report preparation, in terms of like if we want to actively participate in managerial meetings. This our opinion would help a lot. Earlier we just used to listen to the senior people, but after clearing this exam, I would say I have actively delivered few opinions to the senior people as well. Like let me take one example. I used to prepare one management report. So in daily management report, we used to publish those KPIs. That is the key processive indicators. So in that KPIs, we used to caliber our entire team work, that whether we are in green, whether we are in yellow, whether we are in red. So after clearing this exam, what the ideas I have suggested that led to a significant reduction in lead time. That report was earlier prepared in 1 hour. After the implication of this technique, that came down to 20 minutes only.
Wonderful.
So, yeah, in my professional career, we have various parameters for our appraisals and for our promotions, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, I would say, let's say after certification, I have suggested 5 ideas. Out of five, four were implemented, and that changed my entire ratings in my current organization. Number one. Number two, my conceptual and reasoning task has increased so drastically that now they've added one additional task into my profile of taking the interview of the people in addition to my normal work. So that was the great advantage what I have got after clearing this examination.
Wonderful, Uday. It's so
Yeah,
self-satisfying to listen to your success stories. So many
yeah,
success stories have come out of this your certification success, and
yeah,
it's really,
absolutely,
it's
Rashmi.
really motivating to me also, and it is very satisfying and
Correct.
very nice to hear that. And
Yeah,
one thing, even I have felt that after getting certified from such complicated level, your maturity also grows up, you level up
correct,
suddenly, and then
correct.
you feel that the confidence, your confidence level have has boosted, you know uh, drastically,
Drastically. Correct.
right? So you feel
Absolutely.
that you are ready to take different challenges, you are ready to take different responsibilities, and you know that people will look at you for
Correct. Absolutely.
some solution for it, right?
Correct. Correct.
So
So as I said, yeah, our reasoning skill and our conceptual skills would boost a lot. Like as I said in earlier, our daily meeting part, our daily work part, right, where experienced people would add the value into all the agenda of our protocol and the meetings, right? But once we clear this exam, our reasoning skill, our conceptual skill, our in-depth business analysis skill would increase at so extent that, I mean, any task is given to us, the first mindset, so agile is nothing but it's just a mindset,
mindset,
how you
right,
approach to any specific work, right? So in
right.
our routine task, when management deliver us that one task that you have to you have to do this task within this time frame. So after completion of this certification, we have the entire protocol in our mind that this should be the first step, this should be the next step. So entire time frame would fix into our mind, and I would say successfully within the timeline we are able to deliver any project if we have cleared this exam.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
So, before we let you leave, one
Mhm.
last question. Any tips and tricks you want to share with the aspiring candidates for this
Sure.
certification exam? Yeah.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So I would suggest all the aspirants, right, who really wanted to make their career into this business analysis career path, right? So I would say, if you imagine yourself 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line, very first risk factor we have to bring into our mind that this era is very competitive. uh, we must have the set of skill set rather than only one skill set into our bucket. So a resume must have the ample of skill set that recruiters must attract themselves to recruit us rather than on behalf of rather than other candidate list, right? So I would ask all the aspirants that if you really want to make your career into this business analysis path, definitely, this agile is a trending techniques which would be in practice by all the giant investment bank into the world next 20 years or 30 years down the line. instead of traditional methodology like waterfall. So if you will clear this exam, definitely it will add a lot of skill set, lot of skill, reasoning skill, conceptual skills into your bucket that not only attract the recruiters to recruit yourself, but you will feel confident that even though in business analysis path, if I will be promoted to, let's say, AVP level or VP level, then I should be able to manage the entire set of stakeholders. Number one, I would be able to manage entire set of project what the requirement client has given into an effective and impactful way. So that confidence is very crucial to gain
Right.
in this professional career. So this AAC certification would help you a lot to gain this confidence, to attract the recruiters towards your resume, and you will feel quite satisfied if you have cleared this exam, because you have a added advantage in against your peers.
Okay.
Yeah,
So, sure.
yeah,
Thanks, Varun. Indeed, a fruitful discussion, fruitful,
yeah.
your story.
Hmm.
Wonderful to hear your success story, and it's really satisfying to me that
Correct.
Tech Canvas stuff materials have actually helped you a lot. So
Absolutely.
all the best
Yeah,
for your career ahead, and
yeah,
wishes from both Tech Canvas and
yeah,
me. Thank you so
yeah.
much.
Thank you, Rashmi. Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah.